Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. We got some good news on Vechain today. It's integrating with the Singapore Business Network, and that also involves China's BSN. So the headline is Singapore Trade Network, which is integrating with Vechain, and it's going to integrate with the Chinese Business Service Network, or BSN. Today, Enterprise Singapore, ESG, and the Singapore University of Social Sciences announced the launch of Blockchain for Trade and Connectivity. It's called the BTC Network. BTC here does not mean Bitcoin. It is the Blockchain for Trade and Connectivity Network. Not to be confused with Bitcoin, the BTC network enables blockchains to interoperate with each other as well as other technologies such as IoT. Here we go. Partners in the initiative include China's blockchain-based service network, BSN, global e-trade services, GETS, and public business blockchain Vechain. They're using Vechain to tie things together. The announcement was made on the first day of Singapore Week of Innovation and Technology, or SWITCH. As Singapore is one of the world's primary hubs for commodities trading, the network aims to test blockchain solutions with digital trading platforms, supply chain companies, and other technology firms. This is to improve blockchain interoperability with the existing networks and systems, integrating networks and technologies all across Asia. The solution will target SMEs, or small and medium-sized businesses. Vechain has already hashed and uploaded the Memorandum of Understanding signed by 6 commercial partners onto its blockchain as a sign of assurance in the blockchain's immutability. BTC Network will integrate with a BSN project backed by State Information Center of China, which aims to help individuals and small businesses to adopt blockchain. So, if those of you that were worried that Vechain would not be part of the Chinese BSN, the Chinese BSN is using Vechain for interoperability. Additionally, well, at least for signing contracts. Additionally, it will be integrated with Singapore-backed trade network GETS, which has major tech reach across Asia, and the blockchain document verification feature. Plus, the network involves Commodities Intelligence Center (CIC), a physical commodities trading platform partly backed by GETS and SGX. The need for digitalization has been rapidly realized in countries all around the world due to the sequences of COVID-19 pandemic. The blockchain project, supported by Singapore's National Research Foundation, aims to remove trade barriers for a better connected and secure digital trading future. Assuring reliable supply chains and trusted connectivity to the world are key considerations that will maintain our status as a trade and connectivity hub, said Satvinder Singh, ESG's assistant CEO. Through the BTC network, we can connect enterprises and institutes of higher learning to co-create or adopt digital solutions that will promote greater efficiency and transparency across global supply chains. Singapore already has significant activities in the blockchain and digital asset space. It set up Trade Trust to help develop standards so that trade blockchains can become interoperable. The project has received the endorsement of International Chamber of Commerce, ICC, and numerous major enterprises, and it has created some open source technical implementations. Another initiative from Enterprise Singapore is the recently launched Singapore Trade Finance Registry, or TFR, that includes 14 banks such as Standard Chartered and DBS. It aims to prevent the trade finance fraud following several high-profile collapses of commodities traders. So the important takeaway here is Vechain is the chain that's housing these smart contracts, and they are going to be using Vechain to kind of connect everything together. So that is really, really cool. So it's like MOU ceremony for blockchain and trade connectivity network, signed, sealed, and rendered immutable on Vechain blockchain. So all the signatures, all the contracts are signed on Vechain. So Vechain is going to be integrated and also going to be part of all these projects, whether it's the Chinese BSN, the Singapore Trade and Connectivity Network, or one of the Singapore finance networks. So all the stuff is stored on Vechain. They're using Vechain to store information, and that is great news for Vechain. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.